Acid Rain, reporting from CBN. Welcome to Acid Rain. The rain gives us pure drinking water, but slowly it's getting poisoned by sulfur in the air, causing acid rain. Ah! No, the acid's killing me! LOL. Acid Rain, reporting from CBN. Discovered from CBN.
Venus is lifeless, barren, and rocky. Do you want Earth to be like that?
Rain can cause massive destruction to an ecosystem. These two girls are going to show us what happens when acid rain is applied to a flower. Reporting from CBN. Acid rain is caused by the burning of fossil fuels, something we already don't want to be dependent on. Now tell me, do you want to burn a dinosaur?